For less than $49, you can get this whole set without the knife. Hey, welcome to Wyze Home. I'm Kevin, and I'm going to show you all the newest technology in the smart home trend. Today we're talking about the Wyze Cam and Sense. Do you guys know why this is so popular? Well, let's find out. The reason why I'm talking about this is because there is growing fears in my community, and a lot of people are trying to strengthen their home security in the middle of this crisis. But anyways, the focus of today's topic is how to affordably and also efficiently protect your home with the newest technology. Okay, let's unbox this product right now. I like to use this knife because it's one of the most special knife I have, and it's super sharp. From the opening on the top, there is the camera, and open it. Basically look like this, and then there's a divider between the compartment. After we slide it out, the first one is Wyze Sense. This is a small sensor that can help to detect if the door or window is open or closed. So let's open it up and take a look. It has a small pull-up tab. Wow, it looks cool. So there's a sensor bridge that uses USB port to power, and it seems like there's this cloth that's made to let the user pull the plug off the USB port. And okay, so here's the actual sensor. Oh, it's very tight. Slide it gently. So from this sensor, it's actually magnetic, so you can attach one part of the sensor on the opening, such as door, and then you can attach the other part to the other side of the door, detect motion of opening and closing. See that? Okay. And there's also a motion detection sensor. There's a small logo here, so this weighs up. Neat. It uses a tape also. Oh, interesting. There are actually two sensors. One can be used for the garage door, one can be used for the front door. Let's see what's in the locks box. Okay, nice. So in the locks box, there's the power adapter, a USB cable with micro USB on the other side. It's for powering the camera. Let's see, can this actually go there? Oh, that's neat. Looks like this actually go in there. So you can power the device all with one USB port. It's pretty neat. Okay, this is the unboxing, and I'll put them onto field test. All this magnet is very hard to maneuver around. Oh, and then one more thing. I actually found out on their website they have COVID-19 pandemic response. So they have actually a disposable face mask. 50 counts for $30, and also a no-touch thermometer. It's pretty cool that they're coming up with these kind of product in this special time. However, you can see this is actually from Livo Care, and the thermometer is from iHealth. And also take a look at the description. Only states that it's blocking droplet. This is actually not a 95 grade, but it still gives you some sort of protection, so it's better than nothing. So kudos to them. And let's see how the product work in real life situation. Install this into the app. So at the product at the Wyze Cam, and since I don't have a power supply in front of you, so I'm going to use this product. Since they actually have a power cord, I can plug this product as a power source. Is it yellow? Next, press the setup under the. Here we go.
Ready to connect.
Okay. Okay, let's enter the password.
Ready to connect.
Let's move this to here.
QR code scanned. Please wait.
This is the setup process. So since I don't have a door here, but I'm going to attach this here as a test. Now Wyze Cam. Should be faster than that, right? It's been quite a long time. Anyways.
Setup completed.
Oh, it's finished. Okay. So it's called Office Cam. Right. I'll show you later. I should be able to see right now. I'll upgrade later. See. You see my reflection. You also see my camera light. Everything. Let's add another one. And a product. Now let's add the motion sensor. Also, you need to install the bridge. So this is the bridge, and then I can put it back on here. Okay, there we go. There's the device. Let's refresh it again. Yes.
Wyze bridge is ready to be connected.
And this pin is here. When I use this pin, okay, there's a small one.
Wyze bridge is ready to be connected. Connection is successful.
Oh, nice. That's fast. I guess this is a office sensor. At the contact sensor. Okay.
Wyze bridge is ready to be connected.
We need to hit this pin again. The red light.
Connection is successful.
Nice. Okay, let's see. Close. Open. Close. Close. Open. Okay, let's get creative here. So this is supposedly is the window sensor. Let's put this sensor here. And let's peel off this other one. Just put it next to you. Right. I didn't put it all the way, just as a test. Open. Got a sensor right here. And let's close it. And it's closed. Voila! There you have it. I can do this all day, opening and closing doors while getting new notifications. However, to sum up, the Wyze camera is a very affordable and easy to install security camera. The whole setup can be finished in a matter of minutes. The app is straightforward and I didn't have any problem connecting the sensor and the camera to the app. I'm planning to do a more comprehensive review of the app features in the future, such as setting up a time restriction. Also, I would like to talk about other home automation rules too. Please check it back later. Thank you so much for watching. Please thumb up or subscribe. Feel free to leave any comments. You're welcome to check out other videos in my channel. See you guys next time. Check out this product in the links down below. Close. It's pretty fast, right? Let's try again. Let's open all the way. It's open. It's close. Nice. Let's see, how about this one? Ooh. Is there a motion here? Hello? Hello, hello. Hello? I guess it's already here, so that's why it's not doing anything. Hello? way over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this here and then I'm gonna walk away. See what happens. Office sensor. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna turn off the light. Okay, now I'm walking back. The motion. It looks like there's motion.